Good morning, students. This is Kiran Kumar Velimula, Assistant Professor of Physics, Sri Rajarajeshwara Degree College, Karimnagar. Today we are discussing about the logical gates. So, before discussing this, we must know the basics of logical gates. So, initially we must know logical variable, logical operation, what is truth table. Then only we can understand the logical gates very easily. For the purpose, initially we are discussing about logical variables. Only two variables 0 and 1 are on and off states are needed to represent any variable in electronic circuits. These are known as logical variables. That means in almost all cases the maximum number of questions are having either one state or two states. For example, if you consider an electrical bulb, the bulb is initially in not glowing condition, that is said to be off condition. When switch is on, then it is glowing. Glowing is said to be on condition. That means the electrical bulb is either on or off states. Or glowing is represented with 1 and the off state is represented with 0. Therefore, it can be represented either on or off state or 1 or 0 state. Similarly, yes or no, is it working means, is it yes it is working or it is not working. So that means the number of questions having two states of answers in the physics. Similarly here also, the two states can be explained by two different variables. Those variables are treated as 0 and 1 or on state or off state. These two variables or two state variables are known as logical variables. Here, now come to truth table. A function may be specified by writing a table in which the value of function is given all the possible combination of the values of independent variable. Such a table is known as truth table. Simply, truth table is nothing but the mathematical table. So let us consider C is a function. If it is a resultant function that can be explained by using different mathematical operations, there are two or more possible independent variables. On the basis of those independent values only we are obtaining the resultant. For example, C can be explained as A plus B. Plus is one operation. A minus B, A into B, A divided by B, like this. But this is the resultant function. The function can be written in the form of a table. On the basis of these two independent variables are known as truth table. That means A is one function, B is one function, A is individual or independent function and B is individual or independent function. Then the combination, the possible combination of this A and B gives the value of C. C is here function. The function is depending individual variables A and B. That can be put in a table. That table is known as truth table. So similarly, logical operations, the operations which require to perform all the possible combination of independent variable in the truth table is known as logical operation. Already we discussed. So A is one independent variable, B is one independent variable. Due to the variable combination of the independent variables, we are getting the resultant function. So in order to get the resultant function, we are performing or operating the individual variables A and B. And that means C can be written as A plus B, or A minus B, or A into B, or A divided by B. So these are the possible combinations. So in order to perform these possible combinations, we are using plus or minus into divided by mathematically. So these are said to be operations. But if we use these operations in the logical system or electronic circuit, then those operations are known as logical operations. Those operations are already, as we discussed, those are AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. Here AND operation, the C is equals to A and B. It represents mathematically with a dot. It represents the product of individual variables A and B gives the value of C. Then that operation is said to be AND operation. Similarly, OR represents with sum. So means plus. OR operation represents, if C is the resultant function, C can be written as A plus B, or the sum of A and B. Here plus or sum is treated as one logical operation. Similarly, NOT is also one kind of operation. That operation is inversion operation. That is said to be inverter. What is the meaning of inverter? If you give A, the result is not A. That means if A is equal to 0, A bar is equals to 1, and then not 0. So there is a chance to get 1 only. There is no other alternate way here. So if A is equal to 1, A bar is equals to 0 automatically. So this is nothing but NOT operation. So these are the operations which are used to construct truth table, and the truth table can be explained with the help of electronic circuits. Those electronic circuits are known as logical gates. Here, logical gate is defined as an electronic circuit which evaluate particular logic functions. The circuit has one in or more inputs and get one outputs. Now let us consider A is one input, B is one input. We are operating with AND operation, then A into B, but we are getting C. C is only single out for given more inputs. That means the main advantage of this logical gate is we are giving only 2 or more inputs in the input, but we are getting only simplified output at the end. That is the main advantage. The output is in the form of either 0 state or 1 state or on state or half states. So this is a brief idea about the logical gates. If you come to logical gate, as we defined as, it is an electronic circuit which evaluates a particular logic function. The circuit has one or more inputs and one output terminal, then that is known as logical gates. So come to types of logical gates. On the basis of logical operations of independent variables, the logical gates are classified into 2 types. One is fundamental logical gates and the second one is universal logical gates. Fundamental logical gates are also known as primary. They are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gates. AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, these are the fundamental logic gates. Now come to Come to the second type, universal gates. So universal gates are nothing but the gates which are constructed with fundamental gates, and all types of gates are derived from those type of gates. So then those gates are known as universal gates. Here NAND gate and the second one is NOR gate are known as universal gate. Here, what is the meaning of NAND? It is the combination of two fundamental gates, not AND. It is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. Similarly, NOR, not OR. This is also a combination of NOT and OR gates. Then the combination is known as NAND and NOR. We can derive NOT gate, AND gate from NAND gate, NOT gate, OR gate from NOR gate, and we can derive all AND, NOT, NOR gates from universal gates. Now, come to AND gates. So this is the symbolic representation or circuit diagram of AND gate. This is input A and this is input B. Here we are giving two inputs. Therefore, this is two input AND gate. For these two inputs, we are getting only one output. The output is AND output. AND means it represents multiplication operators. So in this case, the possible, already discussed as possible levels. So A is equals to R. The possible combinations of individual variables are like this. Here A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, one combination. So here the output is A into B, 0 into 0 is 0. If A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, that's the second combination. Then the final output is 0. Third combination is 1 and 0. And A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then 0, then 1 and 1. Then the output is 1. That means if the inputs are maximum only, then we are getting the maximum output in the case of AND gates. Similarly, if you take OR gate is symbolically represented by like this. Here also we are giving two inputs, therefore two input OR gates. So the result is Y is equals to, our result, output result is A plus B. This is OR operation. OR operation is always represented with the plus. That is the summation of two individual logical variables here. But what are the possible combinations here? Here also A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 is one combination. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 is one combination. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 is one combination. And A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 combination. If both are 0, 0. If both are 1, 1. If A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, the result is 1. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the result is 1. That means we are getting the minimum output both if and only if both the inputs are 0 we are getting. So any one of the input is maximum, then we are getting maximum. Or all the inputs are maximum, then also we are getting maximum output in the case of OR gate. So similarly, NOT gates. As already discussed, NOT is nothing but inverter. So here, this is the symbolic representation of NOT electronic circuit. So this is input. Here, this bubble or this circle is known as inverter. So when the input is entering into the inverter, it converts other state. If it is initially 0, other state means it is converting into 1. On state, half state, on state, like that. This is the symbolic representation. If you take the possible combinations of the table for this NOR gate is, if input A is equals to 0, then output is 1. A is equals to 1, output is 0. Here, what is the specialty here? We are getting only one input. For what is the single input, we are getting single output. And even though you are giving single, we are getting, and in the previous gates we are giving 2 or more, and that means we discussed about two-stage input. Here this is single stage input. This is single stage input, therefore we are getting only single input, we are getting maximum. Single input, for we are getting minimum output 0. If you give 0, we are getting 1. If we are giving 1, we are getting 0. So this is not. So similarly, NAND gates. This is universal gate because we are deriving NOT and AND gates, OR gate also from this one by increasing more number of NAND gates. This is a symbolic representation, or this is the circuit of NAND electronic gate, logical gate. Here we are giving 2 inputs, therefore it is 2 input stage NAND gates. Here this is bubble, so if there is no bubble, it indicates AND gates. There is a combination of AND and NOT gates, therefore final representation of NAND gate is like this. We are getting AB bar. That means AB bar means not AB. Not AB. So if you come to the truth table, the possible combination of 0 and 0, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 1 and 1. Suppose you take 0 into 0 is 0, but not AB before 1. So here also 0 into 1 is 0, 0 bar is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, bar is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, but bar represents 0. Bar is nothing but not. So this is the NAND gate outputs. Here, if and only if both are maximum, we are getting minimum output. Both are minimum, we are getting maximum output. That is the difference. Similarly, if you take NOR gate is the combination of NOT and OR gates. So this is also 2 input gates. Here this is inverter. The output is A plus B. Here also we are getting only single output for a given 2 inputs. Therefore, these 2 input NOR gates, the possible combination of 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. 0 0 is not A plus B, and 1 0 1 0. So similarly, this is the NOR gate outputs. Only both the inputs are minimum, then only we are getting the maximum value. So like this we are getting the values of input and output here. So the main advantage in the circuit is, in order to simplify the Boolean equations, or in order to solve the problems in the digital electronics, we are using these fundamentals as well as universal logical gates. So de Morgan laws are derived from these logical equations. Logical equations means 2-stage equations, or more than 2-stage equations, by adding or multiplying. That means by applying OR and conditions only we are simplifying. So those are nothing but the mathematical Boolean algebra. That mathematical expression are known as Boolean algebra. In the next class we shall discuss about it. Thank you.